so, as you probably heard in my past, I met this Italian, he pursued me, he proposed, and of course, he was like my dream man. So, I said yes, and he swept me off my feet. We got married in Boracay, I left everything and moved to Hong Kong. But after 2.5 years, I found myself heartbroken. He fell in love with a much younger Brazilian model.
Noong araw na na-realize mo that you were betrayed, ipinagpalit ka sa isang mas batang Brazilian model, ano yung unang reaksyon mo?
Siyempre galit.
Galit.
Betrayal. Parang rejection. Teka, iniwan kong lahat para sa'yo, tapos ipagpapalit mo ko sa mas bata? Anong mabibigay niya sa'yo?
Did you go through that confrontation? Did you tell him?
Hindi eh. Kasi at the time when he told me that he wanted the divorce, sabi ko, why? Is there someone else? And he admitted. Sabi ko, sige, whatever makes you happy. Also because during the time, yung relationship namin, hindi niya naiintindihan that I was in search of meaning. I was in search of fulfillment in life, meaning that I couldn't even see in our marriage. And I felt like if I stayed within that marriage, I was gonna get sick and I was gonna die. So when he sent me home, sabi ko, ayokong iwan ang relationship na ito kasi ako ang legal wife at gusto kong ipaglaban, pero dahil sobrang sakit nito, kailangan ko ng support ng parents ko. Kaya ako umuwi. Pero ayaw na niya akong pabalikin.
Paano mo natagpuan si RD? Your husband today?
Oh, this was many, many years later. After I have given myself in the Lord and He has restored every aspect of my life, yung inayos niya yung takbo ng isip ko, hinil niya ako dun sa depression ko, sa suicidal thoughts ko, binalik niya yung trabaho, nakabayad ako sa utang, na-scam ako ng life savings ko, pero na-recover yon.
How did that scam happen? What kind of scam?
Meron akong isang friend na partner ko sa pag-invest sa mga foreclosed properties.
Okay.
Pero nung nakapangasawa ko, lumipat ako sa Hong Kong, siya nag-manage nun. Tapos marami siyang mga iniimbitahan to co-invest with her. Ang problema, minismanage niya yung funds, walang check and balance. So ngayon, lahat ng mga utang sa bangko, hindi niya nababayaran. Tapos narimata lahat ng mga properties. Millions ang ininvest ko doon, life savings.
Right.
Nag-file kami ng class suit against her, napakulong siya. Mahaba ang kwento ng kaso.
Okay. Paano pumasok si RD sa buhay mo? Was it in church? I mean...
No, he was actually introduced to me by Anthony Pangilinan.
si Anthony.
Soon, pagkatapos kong mahiwalay at umuwi ako dito,
From Hong Kong?
From Hong Kong, na-encounter ko si Anthony sa isang hotel sa Makati. Partner kasi sila sa isang training company.
Okay.
So, napadaan siya, malapit ako sa CR, nagkasalubong kami. Tapos, pakilala kita sa partner ko. Inintroduce niya ako kay RD. Pero, at that time, buhay pa yung wife ni RD. So, it was just a chance encounter, just a simple introduction. And then later on, there was another introduction when I was uma-attend ako ng mga success seminars na binibigay ng kumpanya ni RD. Siya yung naging mentor ko habang sinusulat ko yung libro ko, pero buhay pa yung wife niya. A year later, nabalitaan na lang namin na matay yung wife niya. Nagpunta kami ng classmates ko doon sa wake. At nakita ko how he loved his wife. Sabi ko kay God, God, I want a love like that. Hindi naman si RD hiningi ko. Yung ganong pagmamahal. So during this time, umaasa ako na yung guy na crush ko. Ipurpursue ako.
Yung crush mo?
Yung crush ko, pero na-intercept na naman siya ng ibang babae. So ngayon, inis na ako sa guy na to. God, sino ba talaga yung God's best na prepare mo sa akin? Ang impression ni God sa heart ko, mamimit mo siya on my birthday. So 3 weeks before my birthday, may nag-surprise sa akin ng birthday cake. So nag-blow ako ng kandila, Lord, I wish for a love life on my birthday. Tapos, pagbukas ng mata ko, may binulong si God sa puso ko. Ang bulong na yon ay isang pangalan. Ang pangalan ay RD.
Oh.
And when I was hosting 700 Club as a volunteer, on the night of my birthday, RD showed up. A week later, pinursu niya ako. And after 10 months of courtship, kinasal kami noong March 25, 2014.
At 43, you had Elijah. 46, you had Ziki.
2 miracle babies.
Diba? Dalawang miracle sa iyong buhay.